Shit. The other day, the club and I went and had dinner at Claim Jumper, and we were spotted. We got home, we got a message on Instagram from the dude that spotted us, and he wanted to meet up. Offered to buy us lunch. I can't turn down a free lunch, you guys know that. I'm on my way right now to meet up with the dude and the club at our meetup gas station. Come on, bitch. Excuse me, white car. We'll do 89 today. No. Fuck. The walk of shame. I gotta remember to start turning my key off.
That mean you're gonna have to push?
That means you're gonna have to push it. Chris, good to see you again. Today, the club. My man. I'm worried about you.
Are you King Kong?
So where are we going today?
We're going to the packing district in Anaheim.
Sounds gay.
Sort of like a little mall that has like all the stores are just food and drinks. There's like boba, like the trendiest things.
Boba. It's a hipster spot.
Yeah.
So it's a mall for food.
Yes, sir.
I could get behind that. It's like, did a bird shit on your bike?
Yep.
All right, Chris, we're gonna follow you, dude.
Are we gonna visit Bob?
Oh, she starts. All right, I think we're gonna do a little off-roading. Shit. That was loud.
All right, McDonald's. What you think?
What a mess. Come on, people, get your shit together. Ring around the rosies. It's a fantastic car you have there, sir. My voice, I'm sick, dude. It's hard for me to talk, so I don't know if I'm gonna say a lot. I feel like I have strep throat. Take this opportunity to thank the patrons of the channel. You guys are the best. Need and appreciate your help. Hey, what if I told you I know where a white tiger is? Oh, they're all gone now?
Two passed, one at 19 where the orange ones did. Come on down, her name's Lily.
Thanks so much, man.
Yeah, bro. She's up in age, guys, so anytime we can basically let people see her, yeah.
Lily.
You never know, bro. I mean, tomorrow she probably won't wake up.
Oh, that's so sad.
Dude, she's had a good life, man. He's 14, going on 15 this year.
What was your name?
Hey, it's Tony.
Tony, nice to meet you.
Okay.
You didn't expect to see a white tiger today, did you?
I did, dude. I could smell it from a mile away. I thought this is what we were eating today.
Dude said that that white tiger is the last of 4 of them. Didn't know how much longer Lily was going to be with us. Sad, huh? So if you guys are in the area, it's Santiago Canyon, man, up near Irvine, Mission Viejo. Swing through. Say hi to Lily. All right, I got my camera back, and this camera is brought to you by Voss Helmets. I never show myself actually wearing a Voss helmet, so Voss gave me a little extra money to go buy another camera, and I did. Thanks for the camera, Voss. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, why stop? I think my neutral light stopped working. There it goes. Oh, I didn't know they were trying to race. I would have smoked them all. Next red light, they're all done, son. Damn it. My tire spun the whole way.
Like that place? You wanna go there?
I've never been.
Really?
Always wanted to. Let's go look at it. Oh, they're not even open. Oh, maybe they are. How much is the registration for your Prius?
Like 120?
$530 for my truck.
$500?
$530.
Why? A year? Dude, sell that truck and buy a popular-motorcycle.
Orange County Mining Co. Alright. One day I'll check this place out. My neutral light still doesn't work. That bums me out. Spike's getting old. Scoots on the freeway. Watering Tyson. Yeah, I'm gonna give that dude a shout out. You guys aren't aware of Watering Tyson? Go check that dude out. He's over in Europe right now, riding his scooter, having a good old time. Link in the description of the video. Anaheim Packing House. I have been here. I don't remember if I went here in a video or not, though. Is there a place for us to park?
I can help you guys out. I just gotta charge for the spot when you guys get back, or whenever, just $4.
Alright, Packing House. Let's eat. Alright, Chris, thanks for lunch, brother. Dude, that was great. Anaheim Packing House. All kinds of restaurants in that spot. The one we chose was Georgia. It was upstairs. It was like a barbecue place. What'd you get? You got chicken, fried chicken. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was good. Kind of bummed it took forever with my food, but...
We'll talk about the service in a minute.
Yeah.
What about you, Clevy?
I got a World Series style chicken sandwich, beef gravy, mashed potatoes instead of the fries, coleslaw instead of dinner roll.
You did get the coleslaw.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty good, but I had to wait 65 minutes for my food, so thumbs down.
I got the tri-tip plate, about 19 bucks. Everything I ordered, it was like an upcharge on. I felt really bad, but for everything on the table that you guys saw today, just under 50 bucks. Will I be back? I might come back to this place for something else, but I don't know that I'll come back to George's. The service was a little ridiculous. Cleb and I got our food maybe even 15 minutes before you got yours. And because we're polite, we had to wait till you got your food, so our food was cold. They didn't even say sorry. I know. We'll do this again. We'll cross paths again.
Yes, sir.
All right, but we'll stick together until we get on the freeway and then call it a day. School bus. You're not supposed to pass school bus. We gotta stop. Can't believe people aren't stopping. Fun day riding around Club and our new buddy Chris. Much love to the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. You guys are the best, man. Really helped me out. Most of you guys are already aware I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. A lot of dysfunction over there. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Got some good stuff happening there. And I want to remind you guys, Johnny and I be headed to Florida for Florida meetup coming up pretty quick. Information's on the website. Just give a lot of love to the partners of the channel. Good group of companies. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, consider them first. I'd appreciate it, and I know they would too. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys next week. Later.